Students, in today's video, we will see a simple way to make calculations. So that is by using log book, and that is logarithms. To understand how to check for the log values, let us see the first type, that is the limitations. What are all you have to take care of while using log calculations. So the first limitation is that you have to make only the calculations related to 4 digits. Log calculations are not applicable for more than 4 digits. So if the digit is like 9875.9, then you have to round off this to 9876, and then you can find the log of this. The second thing is, if there is multiplication, then we add up the log values. And the third is, if there is division, then we subtract the log values. So you have to take care of those things while going for the log calculations. So before I start with any of the calculations, please get your logbook so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now, as the font size of the logbook, their table is very small, this is a small attempt what I made to show you the log values. So please carry your logbook, students, and let us see the first calculation. This is 123 into 8314. Now what is the sign here, students, is multiplication. So what I will do here is the log values, they will get added. Now let us see how to find the log value for this. So it will be log of 123 plus log of 8314. So first thing what you have to do is you have to find the characteristic of the number. To find the characteristic, I will count the number of digits in that particular value. So here if I count, this is 1, 2, 3. That is number of digits. So there are 3 digits. I will subtract 1. So it will become 2. So the characteristic here is 2. Then I will put a decimal. After the characteristic, I will put a decimal. Now after this, I will come to the logarithm page where I will see this column where I find it is 12. So I will find this value 12. And then I will move on up to the column 3, and in the line of 12, under 3, whatever value is there, I will write after the decimal. So it will be 0899. Similarly, I will go for this. So first let us calculate the characteristic, students. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1. So it will be 3 point. Now I will go for 83 under 1. It is 91, 96. And one more digit is there, students, that is 4. So I will move on to this column, which is the mean difference. So which is this digit? This is 4. So in this same line, under 4, the number here is 2. So I will add this 2 to this value. So it will become 9198. So it will be 9198. Now I will add the log values because it is multiplication. So by adding this, I will get 6.0097. Now this is only the total of the log values. Now I will calculate its antilog. To see the antilog value, you please turn the pages and come to antilogarithms. The way or the procedure to see the value is same. But what you have to see here, students, if you see this column, the values, they all start with decimal and the digits. So I will see 0.00, that is this. Under 9, if I see under 9, it is 1021, students. You can see this value. And then under this 7, under the mean difference, I will add it. So what I will get? 1023. So this is your final answer. Now what is left is this particular digits. Now this digit will give you the position of the decimal. Simply students, what you have to do is from this side you leave one digit and put a decimal here like this and into 10 raised to this value whatever you have here just raise to this. So your answer is 1.023 into 10 raised to 6 for this calculation. Now we will try some more problems now students. So let us take some log calculations. So you can see this log and anti-log. Now I am going to clean this. So you please use your log books and I will check the values along with you. So let's start some problems. So students, this is the first problem. If I see here, the sign is multiplication. So your calculation will be log of 342 plus log of 57. How I will take the characteristics students? 1, 2, 3 minus 1. So it will be 2 point. Now I will check for 34 under 2. And I think this value is 5340. Got it right students? This is 5340. Same I will go for this. 1, 2 minus 1. So it will be 1 point. And it is 7559. Student, as it is multiplication, I will add the log values. So by adding this, I will get 4.2899. Now if I see the antilog for this, antilog is 1949. Now how I will put the decimal students? From this side, I will put the decimal leaving one digit into 10 raised to 4. So this is the answer for this calculation. Let us try for this now. This will be log 0.00823 plus log of 4.7. Quite interesting some students. If I see this, there is decimal here and then zeros. What you have to do is you have to bring this decimal here after the first digit of that number. So it will be, I'll shift this 1, 2, 3. As I am shifting this in this direction, here the characteristic will be bar 3. Point. Bar 3 means negative students. So it will be 82 under 3. And 82 under 3 is 9154. You please check along with me students. It is 9154. Let us go for this. Decimal is here. So you have to count the digits before decimal, not after decimal. So before decimal, the digit is only 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So its characteristic will be 0 point. Now check for 47. After that, there is no number here. So I will check for 47 under 0 column. And that value is 6721. What I will do students? I will add because this is again multiplication. So this comes out to 0.58. How much students? 75. And this will come to bar 2. Bar 2 means minus 2. Let us see the antilog for this. Antilog will come to 3868. As usual, leaving one digit decimal into 10 raised to. Now it is not 2 students, it's bar 2. So I will write minus 2. If you are not comfortable with this, you can remove this and your answer will be 0.03868. This is also correct. This is also correct to represent the answer. So this is how you will calculate. You all might have got this correct students. Let us try a few more problems. Let us see this problem now. This is 456.7. So it will be log of 456.7. Again this is multiplication sign. So plus log of 9842. How I will calculate the characteristics here? 1, 2, 3 minus 1. So it will be 2 point. Under 45, I will see 6. And I will add to that value a mean difference which is under 7. So this value is 6597. If I see this 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1. So this will be 3.98 under 4 and 2 mean difference. So it will come to 9931. Now if I add this, I will get 6.6528. I'll go for the antilog. Antilog value I get 4495, right? So where to put the decimal now? Leaving one digit from this side, I will place the decimal here into 10 raised to 6. So this is your answer for this calculation. Now come to this problem. As I have explained earlier, what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to move this decimal up to the first digit. But if you are not comfortable shifting the decimals, just remove the decimal from the calculation. So I can remove the decimal in this way. 821, this is the next method. If you are not comfortable with the previous method, you can use this method also. 8314 into 10 raised to. What 10 raised to? Here will be, see here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be minus 4 into 10 raised to. Here also I have removed the decimal. So it will be 1, 2, 3. So it will be minus 3. So what I am getting here? 821 into 8314 into 10 raised to. This I will make minus 7. Log of 821 plus log of 8314. Let us find the characteristic first. It will be 1, 2, 3. So it will be 2 point and this is 4 digits. So it will be 3 point. 82 under 1 is 9143 and 83 under 1 plus 4 mean difference. This value is 9198. So the total here what I will get is 6.8341. Are you getting the same? 6.8341. Let us go for the antilog, but you don't have to forget this value. You have to continue this along with the calculation. So antilog comes out to 6825. How I will place the decimal? Leaving one digit into 10 raised to 6 and this 10 raised to 7. So it will be 10 raised to minus 7. What I will get here? 825 into 10 raised to minus 1. So this is your answer. Or it will be 0.6825. So this is your answer for this calculation by other way where I have removed the decimals. Let us see few more problems. Now if you see this problem, here I have used division sign. So how I will go for this? It will be log of 896 minus log of 47. What will be the characteristic here? 1, 2, 3 minus 1. So it will be 2 point. And this will be 1, 2 minus 1. So it will be 1 point. 89 under 6 is 95, 23. And 47 under 0 is 67, 21. So the difference will come to, why the difference? Because it is now division here. So the difference will come to 1.2802. Let us see the antilog. Remaining procedure is same, students. So this will be 1906. Where I will place the decimal from this end, one digit into 10 raised to 1. Or answer is 19.06. So this is your answer. Let us come to this. I will use or I will remove the decimal here. So it will be 6023 divided by 64. 1, 2, 3. I am removing the decimal. So it will be 10 raised to minus 3. It will be log of 6023 minus log of 64. Characteristic 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 3 point and this will be 1 point. So how I will go for the log? 60 under 2 and 3 mean difference I will add. So this value will come to 77 98. And this will be 64 under 0. So it is 80, 62. The difference will come out to 1.9736. Antilog will come to 9410. So how I will place the decimal? Here into 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it will be 9.410 into 10 raised to minus 2. Or you can write 0.09410. So this is your answer for this calculation. Now let us see a combined problem based on addition and subtraction, that is multiplication and division. So let us see that problem. Let us see this problem now. Here if I see, I have few values above and few values below. If I see the above values, they all have multiplication sign here. So how I will do this? I will take the log of all the values here. I'll make a total. I will take the log values here. I'll make a total and then I will subtract it. So what will be my first calculation will be log of 8.314 plus log of 948 plus log of 0.0821, because if I see they all have multiplication sign here. So let us find the log values here. This will be 0 point, this will be 2 point and this will be bar 2. Am I right? This I will bring 1, 2. So it will be bar 2. Let us go for this 83 under 1 plus 4 main difference. So this value is 91, 98. 94 under 8 value is 97, 68. And 82 under 1 is bar 2.91, 43. Now what I will make? I will make a total because they all are multiplied values and this comes out to 2.8109. So my numerator calculation is over. So it is 2.8109. Similarly, I will make calculation for the denominator. For denominator, it will be log of 4.611 plus log of 36 plus log of 2.303. What will be the characteristic here? I will just write that first. 0 point, 1 point and 0 point. So 46 under 1 plus 1 mean difference. So this value is 66, 38. 36 under 0. So value is 55, 63. Next value is 23 under 0 plus 3 mean difference. So this is 36, 23. Total comes out here 2.5824. Now this is what I got, the value is for numerator and this value I got for denominator. Now if I see numerator divided by denominator, so what will be my next calculation? That this minus this value. So let us subtract this value total from this 5824. So what I will get the difference here is 0.2285. Now I will see the antilog for this. Antilog comes out to 1692. Now here this is 0. So I will write here 1 digit decimal into 10 raised to 0. So this is 1. So our answer is 1.692. This is the answer for this calculation. So this is how you use log to do the calculation. Students, if you have any doubts, please comment me so that I can take those problems also for your references. Thank you.